They've crowded themselves into airports like cattle. They've made their peace with cancelled flights, cancelled holidays, cancelled dreams. But travellers are finding it harder to make their peace with the fact holiday insurance policies might not pay out. Martin James from the consumer complaints forum Resolver explains why.
The airline compensation rules basically cover things that are within the airline's responsibility. Now, that can include their own strike action, even though they argue vociferously with me that it doesn't count, but it does. The courts have concluded that strike action within the airline is something that they could have anticipated, and therefore the compensation rules apply. However, strike action at the airport or strike action with air traffic control is generally considered to be something out of the airline's control, and therefore they won't pay out compensation.
Just under half the policies won't pay out for this. BA check-in staff and ground handling agents at Heathrow voting to walk out in the height of summer. And EasyJet voting to strike sporadically as unions in France, Italy and Portugal continue to clash with airlines and airports. It's the last thing travellers need. For some, the final straw in what's being dubbed the summer of discontent. But what can people do? Always check your policy. The T's and C's can run to hundreds of lines of small print, but by law, insurance companies must send you the headlines. Read them carefully. Try to book a holiday that's ATOL protected. The air travel organiser's licence protects around 20 million holidaymakers a year. And book on a credit card.
If the goods or services aren't provided or aren't as advertised, misrepresented in other words, and the firm isn't playing ball, then you can make a claim back from your card provider to try and get the full value of whatever you paid for back.
Good advice for those yet to travel. Cold comfort, though, for those sent home without a holiday, out of options, out of luck and out of pocket. Jeff Moody, GB News.